Okay, if you still find this hard to do, I have another solution for you, an expert advice. Just imagine you're in examination hall sweating bullets, realizing you did not study enough. Hey, who needs to study when you have technology on your side? So you find yourself staring blankly at your exam paper, wondering how on earth you are going to solve that calculus problem. But fear not, I present you the foolproof guide using ChatGPT during your exam. Sneak your phone into the exam hall like a secret agent, because clearly knowing how to be sneaky is more valuable than understanding calculus, right? As you clearly pull out your phone under the desk, remember the key is to be super sneaky. If anyone asks, you are just checking the time again and again. Remember, open ChatGPT and type in your question. Dear ChatGPT, please solve this complex integral because my math skills are as empty as my will to study. And please make it quick. Watch in, and ChatGPT delivers a solution faster than you can say cheating. Copy it down with passion. Walk out of the exam with a smirk, knowing you have oversmarted the system. When your professor asks you to explain your work, just mumble something about advanced techniques. But here's the kicker. As tempting as it sounds, relying on ChatGPT in the exam hall is not just a bad idea, it's a terrible one. Besides getting caught and facing severe consequences, you're robbing yourself of the chance to actually learn something valuable. Instead of this half-baked plan, maybe try studying next time. Just a thought. Seriously? Don't even think about it. Stay honest, study hard, and maybe leave the sneaky stuff to the professionals like me.